Welcome to Tiara Sparkles family.
Mommy, what are we going to do today?
Today we're gonna make 4 types of dalgonas.
What are the 4 types of dalgona that we are making?
First with matcha, milk tea, coffee, and Milo.
Wait! Can I make another dalgona?
What dalgona do you want to make? Okay, that's interesting. Maybe we should all try together. How about that?
Yes!
Okay.
Good idea, Tiara.
Are you ready
To make the drinks with us?
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away with me.
Hello, Sparkly friends. Welcome to Tiara Sparkles family. For the first 2 drinks, I'm going to make Milo. Mommy's going to make a milk tea. For the first ingredients, we need 2 tablespoons of Milo. For the second ingredient, 2 tablespoons of sugar.
For the third ingredient, 2 tablespoons of hot water.
Let's stir it now.
So for the milk tea ingredient, we need 1 sachet of milk tea. So for the second ingredient will be 1 tablespoon of sugar. But for the milk tea, this is what we've been drinking, and you can use any other teas that you have. And for the last ingredient will be 2 tablespoons of hot water. And it's time to whisk it.
How long do you need to whisk it, Mommy?
About 10 minutes.
Daddy, why is still so watery?
That's because we forgot to put 1 more ingredient. Emulsifier.
Okay guys, just put a bit of this to make it frothy. And whisk it.
Okay guys, it's my turn to make my coffee. First, you need 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. I'm not so sure if other brand works. We are used to drinking this, so this is the coffee that we are going to use for today. Second is 2 tablespoons of sugar, followed by 2 tablespoons of hot water. And it's time to whisk it. How's yours, Tiara?
Good. Mom, see mine. My one's so shiny.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Thank you, Mommy.
Guys, let us whisk this first and we'll be back, okay?
See you at 5 minutes, guys.
So guys, after 5 minutes of whisking the ingredients, this is how it looks like. I think we need to whisk another good 5 minutes for my coffee. Looks like Tiara's is almost ready. And how about yours, Mommy?
Almost ready too.
It looks good. So we'll have to whisk for another 5 more minutes, guys. We'll be back.
Okay guys, we are back.
This is how it should look like. Very creamy. Mine is Dalgona coffee. And let's see Tiara's. Tiara's is Milo. Are you excited to drink this?
Yes.
And Mommy's
Milk tea.
milk tea.
So guys, we actually added emulsifier or overlap to make it more frothy. So you can tell like this.
It's time for 2 more drinks.
Yeah.
Let's go.
And now for the 4th drink, Oreo Dalgona. The first ingredient will be 2 tablespoons of matcha. Next, 2 tablespoons of hot milk. Followed by 3 tablespoons of heavy cream. And time to whisk it.
What's the next drink, Tiara?
Oreo.
Yay! This is the part that she's been waiting for the whole day, right, Tiara?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. I'm going to use 2 Oreo for this. First, we have to take out all the Oreos.
Oreo cream.
Yes. We decided to use this because this is the best part of the Oreo.
Yeah. And that one will make the Oreo yummy
Yeah.
and delicious.
Okay, next, what we are going to do is we are going to put the biscuit here
On the bowl.
and crush it. Okay, it looks like you are dancing.
You like my hair? She thinks, just got it. I see it, I like it, I want it, I got it. Yeah,
Okay guys, we finished already and this is how it looks like.
And now to mix it up.
Yeah. We're going to put the ready smash.
And now to add all the creams.
Yeah. So we're going to make like Oreos to make it more yummier.
This time round we are not using any sugar because we think that the Oreo itself are very sweet.
Yeah, but they taste so delicious.
Yes, they do.
Now hot milk time.
The next one will be
Hot milk.
hot milk. 2 tablespoons of hot milk.
Yeah.
Time to whisk it.
Yeah.
Let's see the result. Let's start with Mommy. How does your matcha look like, Mommy?
There you go, very frothy.
Actually, Tiara's look so delicious.
I think can eat by itself.
Yeah. She even attempted to lick it earlier, right, Tiara?
Yeah.
Are you ready to put them inside the glass?
Yes.
Ladies and gentlemen,
like our dalgona are done.
Yes, look at it.
We always wanted to try is Oreo. That's because it's our first attempt making the Oreo. Okay guys, I hope you guys will enjoy your time with family making dalgona. Before we go, don't forget to catch all our videos and give us a huge thumbs up.
Follow us at Instagram.
Don't forget to subscribe if you're new.
And have a sparkly day!
Come and fly away with me. Come and fly away.
私の言う通りにして体を上下にずっと、ゆるゆる、はい、ずっと。